Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if YouTube sound is not working on Android. Now, the first thing we're going to do is to tap on those three lines at the bottom, and let's swipe out and close out of the YouTube app. Now, we're going to swipe up from here, and you're going to go to your settings. I assume you cannot hear this, but I'm going to try to point out exactly what I'm tapping on. Tap on your settings. And the first thing we need to do is scroll down from here, and we're going to get to your sounds and vibration right here. So tap on sounds and vibration, and let's make sure the sound is turned up. Keep in mind, there are multiple volume sliders. So we're going to tap on where it says volume here, right there. Tap on volume, and you can see this second option, media. This is the volume slider that YouTube uses. So on here, let's turn this all the way up. So you can see just like that, I've turned it all the way up. It's a little annoying. Let's go back out of here. And now, after that is turned all the way up, check to see if it works. If that still doesn't work, let's tap the back arrow. And now from the very beginning of your settings, another option is just to scroll down until you get to the bottom. And we're going to go to where it says apps here, that midway version. Tap on that. And now we're going to scroll down until we get to YouTube. So scroll down and you can see, keep scrolling. Still not at YouTube. And there we go. We're at YouTube here. Just tap on YouTube. Now, the first thing we're going to do within YouTube is to scroll down, and you'll be able to see storage here midway down. Let's tap on storage. And the first thing we can do in storage is to clear the cache. So I'm going to tap clear cache, but also I'm going to tap on clear data here at the bottom left. Tap on that and then hit delete. After you've done that, let's hit the back arrow. And at the top right, let's tap on those three dots. And we're going to choose uninstall updates. Just tap on uninstall updates and hit OK. And now we will reinstall those updates by tapping on app details in your Play Store. This will open up the YouTube app in Google Play. And let's tap the update button here to get the latest version of YouTube. After you've gone through this step, you can open up YouTube and the sound should work at that point. Hope this helps. If this helps, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.